The health department has not observed any uptick in COVID-19 cases among minors, even after the resumption of in-person classes. For the details, JC Cosico is reporting to us live from the DOH headquarters in Manila. Good afternoon, JC. Let's get this clear. The Dept said there were some schools that reported COVID cases. Are we saying then that these are isolated cases, or are they at least seeing a surge?
Just to be clear, the DOH said there is still uptick in infections among the pediatric age group. But to note, not all of those who are part of such age group are learners. The Dept is now deferring to LGUs to release such data to avoid conflicting figures. But the DOH or the Dept said they are in support of face-to-face classes because of the holistic benefits that this will give students. Jess.
Okay, JC, but it's still a point of concern that routine immunization rates remain low. How does the DOH plan to ramp up vaccination efforts?
Just the DOH plan to hold the supplemental immunization activities by March 2023. That's amid low vaccination rates among children and the impending measles outbreak by 2023. Now, the DOH said they will go to communities who have children aged less than 5 to get measles shots. And for now, the DOH is doing catch-up immunization for kids. Jess.
JC, there's also been a reported increase in the number of cholera and rabies cases in the country. Tell us more about this.
Just the DOH reported an over 200% increase in cholera cases. Infections are now at most infections rather are from 5 to 9 years old, and the reason is unsafe drinking water. 33 have also died. Rabies, meantime, also increased by 30%. Cases are now at 275. All cases have died. DOH calls on the public that if ever you're bitten, wash it with clean water and soap and go to nearest health centers. It's also important to have pets registered with LGUs for them to receive anti-rabies shots. Jess.
And lastly, JC, let's focus on one incident here again, that food poisoning incident over at Occidental Mindoro. What's the update on that one?
Just the education department said 88 students and 6 teachers from Mindoro were found to have food poisoned after eating turon and lumpia. Many have been discharged. Authorities have also gotten food samples. Agency will also launch its own investigation as outside vendors are not allowed to enter school premises to sell food. DOH also reminded the public to be careful on the drinks and food they eat and drink to avoid diarrhea and food poisoning. Jess.
All right, thank you very much for those updates. JC Cosico reporting live from the city of Manila.